Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Thai Lion Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the globe button at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see, there are two language options, so just select the one that you want to use within the application and then click on the change language button, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.